Phillips right there. It's like this in this position. So see the clip right there, so you have to pull it this way to your left. $10mm bolt here. 10mm bolt here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, this is a 10mm bolt here. I'm gonna take it out so I can pull this out of here, and I don't want this on my way here. $10mm nut here. 1, 2, 3. Another 10mm bolt here. This one, this washer here goes like this. This goes on the other side of the window, on the other side. And this here goes like this. Taking this window out, it has a side where it comes out in a matter of seconds. Okay, see this pieces of tape here? The black marks right there? The screws right there are supposed to come out in this direction. A 10mm bolt here, and for this I'm gonna put the camera a little bit closer here. Then you take this out from like this, and you start turning this like this till you get it out. Next is this 10mm nut here for the same regulator. This 3 10mm nuts. Before taking it out, just a very small mark here. Here is the wire is broken here. Okay, here goes the other one. This one is a used one from Toyota also, but it's used one. It's in very good condition. I already tested outside, not seen on camera. All you do is apply 12 volts here. I forgot to mention the same mark I made on the other one here. I made it over here on this one too, on top. I did not grease it when I was outside, but I had to grease it once I had installed it. So don't forget to grease it and clean it very well. I cleaned it off camera before installing it, and then I forgot to put grease when I had it out of the door before installing it. But it's not a problem. You still can do it like this. Okay, I'm gonna be putting the window right now. So again, this is gonna go in the same direction as it came out. It's a good thing when you bring in this window down that this part of the regulator is here in the middle. It's not in the bottom, not on top, but it's here. Okay, I'm gonna put this bushing here right now, like a grommet. Don't tighten it too much because this is glass here, remember? I'm gonna turn on the ignition switch. Very good. These are 10mm bolt, 5 of them. Again, 10mm bolt. Don't forget about this small wire here, connection here. It's for this light here. And if you think this video was helpful for you, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and God bless you all.